What's the meaning of casualness? Casualness. Casualness.
Casualness. Casualness. Casualness refers to the quality or state of being relaxed, informal, or laid back, often associated with a lack of formality, strictness, or seriousness. A person who exhibits casualness may act in a relaxed manner and not adhere to strict rules or conventions. A casual atmosphere may lack the formalities of a more structured environment, promoting a sense of ease and comfort. However, excessive casualness may lead to unprofessional behavior and a disregard for standards. In summary, casualness implies a degree of informality and relaxation, but should be balanced with appropriate levels of professionalism and adherence to standards.